I think today is a good day to react some more. Since I got some free time today, I thought why not finally check out the new song by Lantlôs. Maybe some of you are not too familiar with what Lantlôs is. It's basically a German, like, let's just call it post-black metal band. They did a lot of records, but every record sounds slightly different. And some of you might even be aware that Nash, the main singer and guitarist of Alcest, played in the band until I think it was 2014. I could be wrong there. And but since he left, basically the band took a very dramatic turn and went more into the post-rock shoegaze era, which is obviously my domain, as some of you might know. And with the latest record that came out in 2021, Wildhund was very alternatively driven, very even new metal styles combined with this shoegaze atmosphere, which was a very, very nice touch. It ended up in my top, I think it was top 10 back then. And yeah, they got a new record coming out, Nowhere in Between Forever, which is, I think is coming in April this year. The new song, Daisies, is out, and I've waited quite a while. I was going to wait with this for especially this, so it must have been like, I think a few weeks now since the song has dropped. And yeah, I'm expecting again something totally different. The main mastermind, Markus Siegnaert, is basically writing music however he feels fit, and that might change from one day to the other, and I really appreciate that. I look forward for the record. I haven't heard anything except maybe the reels here and there about the new song, so I'm very excited to see what this is all about. But we shall find out in a second, shall we? So here we go with Lantlôs, Daisies. Interesting guitar sound. Yes, these are the typical elements that make Lantlôs by now. Yes. Lost within the clouds, hearts within the sheets. It's difficult to cry with you. Making daisies in the sun. We are losing time. Yes. I can already tell this will be my thing. I can tell you right now, this is my jam. Well, that was very short, but even more, everything that I really, really love about Lantlôs. This is, I will not say screaming of Wildhund, the previous record, but it has so many elements that remind me of that particular record, and Melting Sun elements as well. I'm excited. This will be my thing. I really like this almost like a post-alternative. You know, this is very modern, but it really sounds nostalgic to the new metal days and the, yeah, even more like post-hardcore stuff. So I'm in. So you'll probably see me back here with some more either reaction or review for this record that will come out in April, nowhere in between forever, the 3rd of April 2026. Be aware, this will be big, for those who know. We see each other here again very, very soon, and thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you guys.